This full-size Fesley 39-inch LP electric guitar feels solid and comfortable, with a contoured poplar body and matte finish that balance classic looks and modern ergonomics. The solid mahogany neck with a modern D-shaped profile and smooth purpleheart fingerboard makes chords and fast runs feel easy, even for newer players building technique. Its 22 jumbo frets and well-chosen scale length help notes ring clearly across the neck, giving beginners and experienced players alike reliable tuning and smooth bends. Dual humbucker pickups deliver a versatile range of tones from warm cleans to punchy rock sounds, helped by the three-way switch and separate volume and tone controls. The epoxy-coated body not only resists dings and wear but also supports strong sustain, so held notes and solos have a satisfying singing quality. The kit includes a padded gig bag, cable, strap, picks, and even a sanding block for fret polishing, so a new player can start practicing immediately without extra purchases.